Hi guys, welcome to our video. We're the Sugar Cookies. I'm Shug and I'm Cookie. And if you like this video, subscribe below and give us a big thumbs up. Looks like we're ready to make a slime.
It sure does. Mommy's here today to help you guys out with the slime.
And we're gonna make it in bottles.
Yeah, today we're gonna make it in the bottle.
I know.
Kind of cool, huh? Okay, so first off, we need bottles with the tops.
We need food coloring too.
Yep. So we have our food coloring right here.
And moisture glue.
Yep. The glue is right here.
And power wash.
Power wash. This is contact solution. And just any contact solution will work. I prefer using the Elmer's white glue. You can use the clear glue.
And don't forget, I almost forgot.
Okay.
That too.
The baking soda. We're going to start out by first, you see these lines right here? Okay, what I did was I took their fingers and did it like this. I just took 2 fingers and then I placed it on the bottle and I just marked it.
Measure?
Yep, we measured. We started out by measuring Shug's fingers. So
We
Shug,
just missed my fingers because I got all black by mommy. I got all black by mommy.
that's right. Okay, hold yours right here. I did Cookie's already, hers is right here. So what we're gonna do is we are going to put, at the first line is the glue. And then the second line, we're gonna put our contact solution, all right? So we're gonna start out by doing the glue.
Okay,
Pour it in. I'm gonna squeeze, give it a good little squeeze. Is it coming out? Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do mine. Yeah. I'm gonna do mine.
You need to do just a little more. Got it? And when I do yours,
I'm gonna big squeeze.
you're gonna do a big squeeze. Turn it so you can see the
Bring
line.
out. And then a little more there. Little more. Little more. More.
So now what do we add, Shug?
Contact solution.
Okay.
It's flooding. I know.
So, Cookie, you wanna help me? Just make sure it doesn't fall.
Do mine now.
We gotta get it up to the line first.
It's flooding on things.
A little more.
That's
Okay.
enough.
Okay, now we gotta do yours. You gonna help?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta stop it at the line. Okay, you got it? I don't want your bottle to tip over. Got it?
The food coloring is crying.
The food color is crying. Okay, I think
How can it be a food coloring crying?
Okay, hold yours. And I need you to hold yours. Now, what food coloring do we want?
I want blue. I want pink. I want green.
Green? Okay, and all you have to do is add like 1 or 2 drops.
2. I want to do 2.
Okay.
I want to do 2 too.
Just 2 drops.
I
That's
want to do
it.
2 too.
Great job.
I wanna do
Okay. Next. Okay, Kaya.
Let's do bacon.
Okay, Shug, add yours.
Can we do
1,
baking
2.
soda yet?
That's it. Great job.
Okay.
Now we're going to add the baking soda. Okay, girls? And the baking soda, we don't need but a little bit, but we got to hurry up and put the top on it. Okay? This is our what? Activator.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got to hurry up and put the top on it.
Put the top on. Put the top on.
Got to hurry up and put the top on it. Okay?
Baking soda.
And now you're going to shake it really hard as you can. You're going to shake it really hard. Okay? Go for it. Go for it, girls. shaking it really good?
Stop. That's what it looks like.
Okay, let's
Stop.
Okay, got it upside down. I don't know if you can see it, but see hers is coming down.
Mine
Already.
wins. Mine wins.
And hers is coming down as well. So let it make its way down. And then we're gonna take the tops off. And we're gonna see what do we have. You ready to take the tops off?
Yeah.
Okay, hold this just like this for a second, should. And Cookie, let's start with yours.
It looks like
And I like this way because it's less mess. Okay.
it's green.
Give me your hand.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That is good.
It's coming out.
Coming out so good.
It's coming out. Okay, so you have slime coming out. Okay?
Gooey. Gooey.
Gooey slime.
Gooey. Don't put it
Okay.
on my hands.
Don't put it on your hands. Okay, I'm gonna put it all on Cookie's hands. And now.
No, put it on the table while my side is, okay?
Okay.
Don't mix the
Okay. And here's yours coming out. Slime.
So gooey.
It's so gooey. Yeah. Take the top off.
I make the way out. I make the way out.
I hope they come on out. Okay, girls, we got the slime out. Can we twist it? Let's twist it. Let's see what it looks like twisted. Oh gosh, it looks great. It feels so slimy. Gooey slime.
It's stick down. Don't rub it up. It looks just like the YouTube play. It's slopping down, kids. It's slopping down. It's like syrup. It's like syrup, kids. Look at this. Watch what I'm gonna do, kids. Make the sound. Boop, boop. Check this out, guys. Check this out, guys. Slimy and gooey. Slimy and gooey. Sliding up to the bottom. Sliding out to the bottom. Sliding out to the bottom. Look at this, guys.
So it looks like you guys like making slime from a bottle, right?
Of course I do. Bye, guys. Sugar cookies up. Mwah. Let's do some squishing. Guys, did you know you like slime? Help this video. Subscribe and like. Bye, guys.